Pasig, Young Living, Aventus, Herbalife, Marcinos Food Service or Services, Midline Brew, Savvy, Corahex, Corona, Happy Party, Apollo and also Inflatable, KNM Food Card, Pauline Yapson Balloon, Wonderful Food, Sweet,
Sabi ng
Intellicare, Inflatable King Taco, Inflatable Doritos, Inflatable Pencil,
Yan, sige, ulit-ulitin mo. Sige, go. Kunin mo na ng kunin. Sige.
Hey, galing!
Nice. Nice. Ano, one more. Ito pa. Oh, sige.
Tuloy-tuloy. Galing na.
Go!
Pagod ka daw na. Lapit ka. Dahan-dahan.
So again, guys, we're going to start the program. So technically, we're going to stop everything so that we can focus on
Nice.
Okay? Thank you so much. Guys, we're going to inform you na meron tayong ibang stalls na you have to pay, okay? Yung pastries, yung hotdog, and yung coffee, you have to pay first, okay? Pag order kayo ng food doon. Thank you. And the rest naman is